My God, these roads are so treacherous from the blizzard of 2010, the one that was expected to hit here in the Northern Virginia Metroplex. It is terrible. The roads are treacherous. The snow is coming down heavily. But that was per the weather reports. What is it doing, really? Nada. Nothing! Nothing! All week long. It's gonna snow, it's gonna snow, gonna snow, gonna snow, gonna snow. And what's it doing right now? Nothing. Old people are walking down the street. The roads are clear and they have been salted. And it is not snowing. Welcome to Archie Bunker's place. Hi, it's me, Greg, Daily Greg here, with the blizzard of 2010. Treacherous wind-blown snow. It's not snowing. It is not snowing. No, it's not. Apparently New York is gonna get blasted. Apparently Philadelphia, but no, the big bubble over DC isn't gonna give us anything. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Look at this, it's so dangerous, the snow! Hi, it's me, Greg, the Daily Greg, in search of the blizzard of 2010 end-of-year storm. Oh yes, everybody was all trumping it up all week long. We're gonna have an end-of-week blizzard, an end-of-week storm. Low's gonna track up the coast. Oh, but hold on a second. We've got all the computer models in the world, but this is a very complex weather system. It could either go out to sea or it's gonna ride up the coast. It's either gonna snow or not. I'm either gonna, this is the deal. I mean, could you imagine if I walked into work and told my boss, hey, either today I'm going to sell something or I'm not. It's a crapshoot. Hi, it's me, Greg, the Daily Greg, here outside of Reston Town Center in beautiful Reston, Virginia. We're waiting for snow. We've got flakes flying in the air, a slight flake flyingness, but not the 10 to 20 inches of snow that was predicted earlier this week. It's a big disappointment for winter weather lovers like me, as well as these people who are out scurrying about. The most negative of situations, winter weather-wise. Yes, when I was deciding to come here to Reston Town Center, I was envisioning a white winter wonderland, but what we've got is a gray mess of nonsense. Reefs that were going to be covered in snow are covered in just greenery. A scene like a Norman Rockwell over there of people ice skating with snow. Just a barren land of cold. Look at the people ice skating. Let's see if we can catch somebody falling on their arse. Okay, it's almost noon here in the Northern Virginia area, and as you can tell, the snow is coming down at a rapid clip. Blizzard-like conditions. Wind-swept snow. The Christmas tree is about ready to topple here at Reston Town Center. Great concern because of the heavy weight of the snow breaking branches off the trees. Just heard that gentleman say they're canceling the weather alert for snow less than 1 inch. Beautiful. Thanks, weather folks, for getting me all whipped up into a snow frenzy. Nice. Winter scene out in front of our house right now. It's about 1:30 and heavy no snow. Just a lot of old snow on the ground for the Blizzard 2010 end-of-year blast. It's me, Greg, Daily Greg, here with Winter Blast 10, Blizzard 10 from the Leesburg greater metropolitan area. You can see the heavy banding taking place here with this wonderful dusting event. The roads are treacherous, snow-covered, deep. It's coming up to my, nothingness on my foot right there. It is a disastrous snow event here in the Metroplex. Look at the grains. The car is covered, I don't know. It's gonna be very dangerous as I drive on the roads. Let's get a full report as I go out. All right, with Winter Blast 10, it wouldn't be a Winter Blast if you didn't go to the Safeway to see how people are handling this major blizzard. Sure gauge of a bad storm of the lines. None. Extended coverage of Winter Blast 10 here on the Daily Greg. Look at the terrible roads. Just treacherous here in the greater Loudoun-Leesburg area.